Hello students, today we are going to see 10th standard biology unit 13 structural organization of animals. In that we are going to see urinogenital system. Urinogenital. Urino means urinary or excretory system. Genital means genital or reproductive system. In rabbit we are going to see urinogenital system. Let us see excretory system. In excretory system, kidneys, pair of kidneys are seen. Look at the picture, right kidney and left kidney. Okay, kidney's main function is suppress nitrogenous waste from the blood. Kidney is dark red in color. It is bean shaped and it is situated in abdominal cavity. Okay, so kidney is dark red bean shaped and abdominal cavity, seen in abdominal cavity, and it is made of several nephrons. It is made up of several nephrons. So the main part of the excretory system is kidney. It is made of several nephrons and it is dark red in color, and then its function is it separates nitrogenous waste from blood and excretes in the form of. Look at the diagram, excretory system of rabbit. Pair of kidneys, right kidney and left kidneys are there, which are bean shaped and dark red in color. Tube-like structure, we call it as ureters. Ureters arises from both the kidneys. Look at the picture, ureters arises from both the kidneys and it opens into posterior side of urinary bladder. Look at the picture, urinary bladder. Then it leads to urethra. Urinary bladder leads to urethra. So this is the excretory system of rabbit. See, right kidney, left kidney lende ureter tube like structure urinary bladder la poi open agittu, then next part of this is urethra அப்படினு சொல்லுவோம். So this is the excretory system of rabbit. What we have seen in this excretory system of rabbit, pair of kidneys. From that ureters arises. It opens into urinary bladder and then it leads to urethra, which is thick walled muscular duct. Let us see the reproductive system of rabbit. Rabbit shows sexual dimorphism. It means it shows male and female sexes are separate and morphologically different as like human beings. Okay, let us see male reproductive system of rabbit. Before that we'll see excretory system, right kidney, left kidneys are there. From that ureter arises and opens into urinary bladder and then it leads to urethra and then it finally opens into penis. So this is the excretory system of rabbit. Okay, let us see the male reproductive system of rabbit. See, look at the picture, pair of testes. Pair of testes means two testes which is ovoid in shape or seen, which is covered by scrotal sac. Inside of this testis we can find numerous tubules. We call it as seminiferous tubules where the sperm produced. The sperms are temporarily stored in epididymis. Okay, so the sperms stored in epididymis comes out through vas deferens. Otherwise we call it as sperm duct and opens into urethra, which is present just below urinary bladder. So vas deferens அப்படிங்கிறது வழியா உங்கள் ஸ்பெர்ம் என்ன ஆகும், உங்களுக்கு எபிடிடைமிஸ்லேருந்து வாஸ் டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் மூலமாக யூரித்ராக்கு வருது. ஸோ ரைட் கிட்னிலேருந்து யூரிட்டர் வந்து உங்களுக்கு எங்கே ஓப்பன் ஆகுது, யூரித்ராவில். லைக் தேட் டெஸ்டிஸில் ஃபார்ம் ஆகிற ஸ்பெர்ம் வாஸ் டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் வழியாக யூரித்ராவில் வந்து உங்களுக்கு ஜாயின் ஆகுது. ஸோ டெஸ்டிஸில் ஃபார்ம் ஆகிறது ஸ்பெர்ம் வாஸ் டிஃப்ரென்ஸ் அந்த ஸ்பெர்ம் டக்ட் வழியாக யூரித்ராவில் வந்து ஜாயின் ஆகுது. Urethra is seen just below the urinary bladder. Okay, then urethra enna agudhu, the urethra runs backward and passes into the penis. Okay, and passes into the penis. Okay, apart from this we can see three accessory glands: prostate glands, Cowper's glands and perineal glands. These secretions are involved in reproduction. Okay, so this is the male reproductive system of rabbit. Let us see what we have seen. pair of testes which is ovoid in shape, which is surrounded, testis is surrounded by scrotal sacs. Inside of the testis we can find seminiferous tubules. Then sperms produced in testes are temporarily stored in epididymis, and then through vas deferens or sperm duct, the sperm comes out and enters into the urethra, which is seen below the urinary bladder. Then it opens into penis. So this is a reproductive. Let us see the female reproductive system of rabbit. Look at the diagram. This is the female reproductive system of rabbit. In this you are going to see pair of ovaries. Female reproductive system of rabbit consists of pair of ovaries. That is, two ovaries are seen which are in small size and ovoid in shape. Next, we can find the pair of oviducts, which is funnel shaped opening from each side of the ovary. Next, the anterior part of the tube is fallopian tube, uterus, vagina, urinogenital canal or vestibule, vulva, and then Cowper's glands and perineal glands. These are seen in the female reproductive system of rabbit. Okay, let us see in diagram. Look at the diagram of female reproductive system of rabbit. See, left kidney, right kidney are there. Below that, ovaries. Pair of ovaries. Two ovaries are seen which are ovoidal in shape, and then pair of oviducts opens into body. It is funnel shaped. Then anterior part we call it as fallopian tube. Okay, it leads into wider tube called uterus. Thus fallopian tube leads into wider tube called uterus. Okay, uterus. Then the uterus join together to form a median tube called vagina. Vagina. So we know that ureter arises from right kidney and left kidney, opens into urinary bladder, and it leads to urethra, isn't it? So there is a common tube formed by the union of urinary bladder. Look at the picture. Common tube is formed by the union of urinary bladder and the vagina is called urinogenital canal or vestibule. Okay, so the common tube we call it as vestibule. Vagina-க்கும் urinary bladder-க்கும் common ஒரு tube இருக்கும், that we call it as vestibule. Other than that, Cowper's glands and perineal glands are seen. Okay, next, this vestibule runs backward and opens into exterior by a slit like aperture called vulva. Okay, vulva is a slit like aperture seen exterior. Okay, so this is the female reproductive system of rabbit.